Well, you don't know.
It comes on, okay. And that prop was hard to get on. You want to catch. I mean,
you gotta.
Yeah, I
had to put a wrench on mine. Like, remember it came off?
Huh?
Remember it came off out here?
Oh yeah, I did. Thanks a lot. Now I'm wondering.
Is that going to be enough elevator, Jim? Oh, you don't have hardly have any elevator on that.
Just a second. I got throws. Okay, I got 3 throws. That's where the factory says. I thought if it's too much, I can go down. Now elevator. That's maximum.
That's about where mine was.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Remember you were telling me if it doesn't get off the ground.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. You're right. Yep.
And it pulled right up.
Yep.
And the rudder.
Yeah.
I never could get it to maximum. It's off probably another 1/4 to 3/8 inch on each side for maximum on the rudder. I'm going, there ain't no way. So, okay.
Jim, you want a soft landing on this.
What?
You want a soft landing on these.
Why?
They have a propensity to tear out the landing gear.
Gee, thanks.
Beautiful.
Get way too much up there. Oh, I'm sorry, David. Don't ask me to keep it in close. And I didn't turn the volume on. Gee, boy, this is sensitive. Okay, that's me. Don't worry about it. Oh. I got it straight in, I hope. How's that looking? Off the field.
Fixing to land?
No, I just want to see how she kind of lands. I mean, how she flew at low speed.
Nice.
See where the angle lines are. Well, that's about where they were when I took off. I can't believe that. Okay, I'm gonna say the biggest part of the problem is it's tail heavy.